In the middle of your daily hustle bustle, have you ever yearned to surrender your senses to the rhythmic pulse of heavy machinery? Where the clinking of glass and the deep hum of turbines become a soothing balm for a weary soul. From which corner of this restless world are you seeking a moment of absolute stillness today? Step with me into the grand sanctuary of amber spirits, where the feat of producing millions of bottles daily is not just a factory line, but a monumental symphony of mechanical engineering. Do not be mistaken by the simple flow of the liquid. This is not a mere press of a button. It is a high-stakes battlefield of precision where the margin for error is zero. And a single microscopic slip can ruin a decade of legacy. You will catch a fleeting glimpse of the sacred infusion, a critical, mysterious step that defines the very soul of the craft. This is my solemn promise to you. By the end, the standard of true perfection will be permanently etched into your mind.
Everything looks correct on the manifest. The batch number matches.
The flow rate is holding steady at 500 kilograms per hour.
Confirmed. Purity levels are optimal.
Batch 2-4 is showing excellent rootlet development. We're clear for the next stage.
Ensuring the viability of the yeast culture is a critical step before it is transferred to the dosing tote for fermentation.
check the flow rate on still 4.
Flow rate is optimal. We are clear for the next batch.
Looks like we have some buildup starting right here.
Yeah, definitely seeing some scale near the bottom plate.
The flow rate looks good here.
Confirmed. Hydrometer reading is spot on.
The flow rate on still 3 is fluctuating slightly outside the parameters.
I see that. Rerouting the coolant now, it should stabilize.
The nose on this one is exceptional. 18 years well spent.
Agreed. I'll tag it for the reserve collection.
That color grading is perfect for the 8-year-old.
Indeed. The aroma profile is holding steady.
This one is tagged for reject. Move it to section 4.
Copy that. Grabbing it now.
All right, easy now.
Achieving the perfect balance is key here. It's what gives the 18-year-old its unique texture and complexity. This spike here is within the acceptable range, but slightly higher than the previous run.
True, but the overall profile holds steady within the target bands. The consistency is excellent.
Yeah.
We verify the torque on a randomized sample to ensure the integrity of the seal before bottling.
Team, the alignment jig is critical today, and the torque on these samples must be exact before we ramp up to full speed. Any issues, flag them immediately.
Understood.
Watching the grand machinery of the Chivas Regal 18 Distillery at work is truly a paisa visual experience for the mind. It's incredibly relaxing to see such perfect order. But beyond the soothing visuals, there is a very big lesson for all of us. Patience is the ultimate ingredient. Just as these spirits must rest for 18 long years to achieve their world-class character, our own dreams also require time to mature. In today's fast-forward world, this video teaches us the value of precision and discipline. Whether it's high-tech automation or the master blender's nose, excellence comes from doing the small things correctly, day after day. So, take a deep breath, shed your stress, and remember, good things take time. Success is not an overnight miracle, it is a slow-cooked masterpiece.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel. And what production process would you like to see next?